Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to connect your Deriv account to MT5, here's the fastest way to do it. First, open the MT5 app on your phone. You want to click the three bars on the upper left of the screen. Then tap on Manage Accounts. At the top, you will see a plus icon. Go ahead and tap that. Next, in the search bar, just type in Deriv. And from the results, select the correct Deriv server. Once you've chosen the server, you'll need to log in using your Deriv MT5 login ID and your password. Tap login, and if the details are correct, your account will be connected instantly. In some cases, MT5 might ask you to verify identity depending on your security settings. Just go ahead and follow the prompts. And that's it. Your Deriv account is now linked to MT5 and ready for trading. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.